Here is the 2025 version of the VIZIO HD TV. So this is VIZIO HD Smart TV, and if you purchase it now, which is January 2025, this is what you get. This is a 32-inch HD Smart TV. You'll get the stand, the TV, some instructions, a couple of instructions, and that's the stand. The stand came with a screw, so you cannot, because some TVs you can put it with the stand without the screw. So this one, you have to screw in order to get the TV set up to stand. It's very easy. You just have a Phillips screwdriver. So just quick screw. There's two screws to get that stand, the TV stand. And then the remote is different. It looks like it's the same as the old remote, but there's additional the apps that are in there. So Amazon and Netflix, YouTube, it's already in the remote. And also with this remote, it came with a battery, so you don't have to worry about it. And all you need to do is install that battery. So the TV usually turns on once you plug it in. So it turns on by itself. So it's going to show you this. Um, or if it doesn't turn on by itself, you just turn it on using the battery, and then, using the remote. And then you will follow the prompts. Of course, the very first step is you need to connect to Wi-Fi. You, unless you're using an antenna to get free channels, you will have to connect to Wi-Fi. So I've connected it to the Wi-Fi. Of course, you need to have your Wi-Fi username and password. And then as soon as you've connected, it will go right away to checking for updates, and then installing app updates. And there's going to be a couple of updates, so just be patient. And this is the model number VHD32M-0807. You will find the model number in the box as well as in the TV while installing the OS updates. You're going to see it at the bottom. So don't be impatient when you're waiting for the updates, because it's going to install two updates, the TV update and the operating system update. And then, of course, you follow the prompts. You can name your TV. There's options. And then here is the most important part. If you purchase your TV after August of 2024, you cannot set up your VIZIO TV unless you create an account, like a VIZIO account. So two ways. You can scan that QR code or type that to your browser, to your phone or your computer, that other part. But I'm choosing to use and scan that QR code with my phone, and I'm using my Android phone, which is a Z Flip 6. So all you need to do is like turn on your camera and click on it, and then I will show you. So you will see a red around that, and then around the QR code, and then when you click on it, it goes to the VIZIO app, and you're gonna have to download it if you haven't downloaded it in your phone. Since I have other VIZIO TVs, I already have the app, so it's just gonna update it. And then you open the app, right? If you already have a username and password, you can enter it in. If not, you can follow the prompts, so it's very self-explanatory with the phone. So you're gonna follow the prompts and just agree. And if you already have an account, you can log in. If not, you can create a new account. And then you would have to allow, you have an option to allow notifications or you don't allow. So here, here's that VIZIO. So you can create an account if you don't have an account. And if not, if you've already have an account, it's gonna be like this basically. So you just have to follow the prompts in your phone until it tells you that your TV is ready. So basically, the first couple of steps is just following the prompts in your phone, adding the apps that you are wanting to be your favorite on that TV, and now it's ready. So the way this is, because it usually, once you're done setting the app on your phone, it's supposed to update right away on the TV. If it doesn't update on its own, you can turn off the TV and turn it back on, like what I did. And then now it told me your TV has been set up, but again it wasn't doing anything, so I had to rescan it. And because I already have an account, I had to rescan it, and then now it is working good. It's just gonna show you and have you agree on some stipulations there about the TV and stuff like that, access, privacy. And here it is. That's it. Once you're done, you are able to now choose your channel if you're watching Netflix. And this is the back of the TV, just showing you quickly. If you need to hang your TV on the wall, you'll need there's the square one. So, and then here's the connector. You get an optical for if you have sound bar, and then two HDMI's and USB. And you can use antenna on the 2025 version of VIZIO TV. And there's only one control on the TV itself. It's just the power on button. The rest will be in the remote. So take note of that. That's it.